Hey, Weston Welch, WW Originals here. I partnered up with Art Resin. I'm going to show you how to resin a piece. I'm going to use this as a perfect example. Art Resin is the brand that I particularly use. I think it has the best product. Doesn't yellow over time like others. It's non-toxic, which is huge for me because I do this in my own house and I got to be in the same room later. And it's just incredibly easy to use. It's basically 3 steps. Equal parts of a hardener and the resin. 4 ounces per square foot. This happens to be 3 square feet, so I'm going to use 12 ounces or 6 of each of these. Mix them together, stir them up real good for 3 minutes, pour them over the piece or your piece of art. It will auto level, but you can take a scraper around, make sure it's on there evenly, and then I take a heat gun to it, or in my particular, I use a torch to get out any bubbles, protect it. So I'll put cardboard kind of a fortress around it so no dust gets to it, and then you just wait 24 hours, which is honestly the hardest part because it's going to look so bomb when you're doing it, and you're just going to want to hang it on a wall instantly. So you got to wait a day at least till it hardens. In 48 hours it'll be completely hardened, and it'll look awesome. Let's check it out. And we're down here in my art dungeon, aka my basement. So now we're going to lay the resin down. I've already mixed up my 12 ounces. I have a nice little workspace here, keeps the painting off of the ground so the resin can drip off, and I coat the sides as well. And as you'll see in the video, as once it pours over the sides, I'll take my hand along and make sure it's evenly coated everywhere. You want to make sure this is level, so just level both ways. Again, it'll help with the auto leveling of the resin itself. I have a nice little scraper here, so you'll see me scraping it across, get it evenly coated on the entire thing. And the last piece is really just gloves, not because, again, it is not toxic, but it keeps your hands from getting sticky, etc. A nice little tip in addition is I put some painter's tape along the back of the entire painting, and that'll just help. You'll see that there'll be like, as it drops off the side, there might be some kind of droplet forms, and after 24 hours you can rip off that tape and get a nice clean edge. So here we go. Alright, now we're about to get serious with this torch. Basically take it even strokes over it. You don't want to miss any parts. And it's really kind of satisfying because you'll see the little bubbles. It'll become crystal clear. So check it out. And then last but not least, you're going to want to cover it up so no dust gets on it. So I just have cardboard, blocks of wood on the side to keep it off of it, and that's basically it. You cover it up, and like I said, the hardest part is waiting for this thing to be done.